Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So we've got two different ways to check the IMEI number. We can do it with the usage of the secret code and the settings. Of course, I'll show you both and I'd like to start with a secret code. So we have to open the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let me show you another way by using the settings. It will be useful if for some reason your device will not use the secret code or you will simply forget about it. So we have to enter the settings, tap on About Phone, and here let's enter Detailed Info and Specs. Now let's scroll and tap on the status. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.